Hi students, we are going to learn class 7 physics ICSC board and our first chapter is measurement. So what is the measurement? We will see there. So measurement is the process of comparison given physical quantity with known standard quantity. Means what we are doing? We are taking any standard quantity like 1 meter length is the standard quantity and we are comparing if any object is there. Suppose the length we are comparing. So process of comparison of the given physical quantity with the known standard quantity is called the measurement. मेजरमेंट मीन्स नापना होता है, मतलब कोई स्टैंडर्ड क्वांटिटी जैसे 1 मीटर का हम टेप लेके और हमें मान लीजिए 10 मीटर नापना है तो 1 मीटर को 10 टाइम्स हम मेज़र करेंगे और उसका लेंथ होगा 10 मीटर. तो दिस इज द measurement means the comparison of the given physical quantity with the known standard quantity is the measurement. Means here 1 meter tape is the standard quantity and we are comparing the length of the given object with that 1 meter tape. So next thing is coming mass. What is the mass? So amount of matter contained in a body is called the mass. If amount of matter will be more, mass will be more, and if amount of matter will be less, mass will be less. What is the SI unit of mass? The SI unit of mass is kilogram. SI unit of mass is kilogram. And what is the CGS? CGS unit is gram. SI unit of mass is kilogram and CGS unit of the mass is gram. And mass is your scalar quantity and it can measured by the beam balance. Next physical quantity is weight. What is the weight? So weight is the force that earth exert on the body. Means what is the force exerted by the earth on the body, that is called the weight of the body. So what is the SI unit of the weight? The SI unit of weight is Newton and CGS unit is dyne. SI unit of weight is Newton and CGS unit of weight is dyne, and there is a relation between Newton and dyne. 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power 5 dyne. This is the relation between Newton and dyne. So we have learned about the mass and weight. Now we will learn what is 1 kilogram. What is 1 kilogram? The definition of what is the 1 kilogram? The 1 kilogram definition is it is the mass of 1 liter pure water at 4 degrees Celsius. What is the definition of 1 kilogram? The mass of 1 liter pure water at 4 degrees Celsius is called the 1 kilogram. Other units also, we have the relation between the gram and other smaller units. That is what is the relation we can see there, like 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram and 1 gram is equal to, so that is the 1 upon 1000. Kilogram is equal to 10 power minus 3 kilogram. Same way 1 milligram is equal to 1 milligram is equal to 1 upon 1000 gram is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 gram is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 kilogram. So these are the relation between kilogram, gram, gram, kilogram, milligram, gram and kilogram. Now we see what is the other unit of the weight. So we can see there the gravitational unit of weight is we can see there one is kilogram force and one is gram force. What is kilogram force and gram force? So 1 kilogram force means it is the force exerted on the 1 kilogram body by the earth, that is called the 1 kilogram force. 1 kilogram force is equal to 9.8 Newton, approximately 10 Newton. Same way, what is the definition of 1 gram force? The 1 gram force, the force exerted by the earth on 1 gram body, that is called the 1 gram force. The 1 gram force is equal to 980 dyne or approximately 1000 dyne. So this is the relations between kilogram force, Newton, gram force and dyne. All these things we have learned. Students, we know that mass is measured with the help of the beam balance. So now we will see there how we can measure the mass of any given object with the help of the beam balance. Where you have seen the beam balance in your general life? So beam balance you have seen the grocery shop or the vegetable peoples who are selling the vegetables. They are also sometimes having the beam balance. So now we will see what is the beam balance, how it is constructed, and how we can, what is the principle of that, and how we can measure